What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Almost to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate everybody that likes the videos and comments. Today I'm going to show you guys how to take something like this and turn it into something like this.
All the bodies hit the flow. They wanted more. I give them more.
I was watching some videos on some DIY side skirts for the Civic, and I was like, let me check the store that we got in town. Look at that, $5.99. Got my little helper with me. This is how we getting this baby home right now. You got it? Also, got the lowrider trike. Still got videos and everything planned with that. The weather's starting to warm up. Stay posted, subscribe, leave the notification bell on so that way when I do drop another video on the trike, you guys will see that. Alright, so the measurement that I got is 77, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go a couple more inches, like 79. That way I can take a tab on the back, heat it up, and then fold it over. And I'll show you guys that. So I got 77. I'm going to go ahead and go another 2 to 79, so fold back in front of the rear of the wheel. And on this, I got it's just a wood blade, but it's a brand new one, so that way it don't crack. Alright, so now that we got this piece cut right here, which pretty much we're going to use this piece to where it looks more square and where this piece flares underneath the car. So this piece right here is about 3 inches. So basically what you want to do is measure the inside of your side skirts from when you open the door, and you get 1.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this 2 inches so that way it can give me some extra play. And up here in the front, like I was telling you, where I have a spot that is flared out from the over fender, I'm going to cut this one a little bit thinner to go back behind that. This right here is chalk line. I already measured it 2 inches, so what I'm going to do is put it on that line 2 inches from there. Pop that. So in the front, to make this fit in between there where the fender's at and the already stock side skirt, you want to cut probably a 1/2 inch off of the 2 inches you already got. Cut a 1/2 inch down to about 4 inches and then bring it over. I left the tab over and then how it comes out. That I'll worry about later on how I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with that. And also, like I said, cut 1/2 inch off of what you had already and go about 4 inches down. That way it can fit inside there. So now, once you get this, you can see you can still push it more. But now the only step that you need to do is at the back door or the back of the side skirt if it's a coupe. So with this, just take a pencil mark, just the outline of this. You're gonna have to recut it again, and then you'll be able to push it more in. So let me cut this first and get that piece out the way, and then I'll show you guys to cut it a little bit more to get it more flush up against the car. So just come back from this piece like that. You leave this round edge right there, and when you fold this and heat it up, it go over the top of this. Alright guys, so pretty much the bottom is going to look like this, and the top is going to look like that, and this is the back side piece. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a heat gun and heat this piece up and bend this piece over to go for here, so that way this is the back of the side skirt in front of the rear wheel, and I'll show you guys what happens with that. Pretty much just fold it over like that, and then you can see how it's pretty much closed up. There's a little bit, you can probably sand it down or something if you want, but for something that's $6, can't complain. Just wait a little bit, let it cool down, and then you'll see that it gets to the point where it's pretty sturdy, doesn't move around or anything like that. And now all you gotta do is take this, slide the front one in, take the back one, push it to the front. Self-tapping screws and you're done. So pretty much the front, like I said, goes in there. Got one self-tapping screw right there. Got another one in the middle. And another one back here. Like I said, there's this piece. I'm not really worried about it. Fiberglass it'll do something later if you want. But it actually just keeps the end of the car looking decent to where if anybody looks in there or anything like that, it looks more square. I definitely need to do something with that. Alright guys, so for $12 and about maybe 25 minutes or something like that, got some decent side skirts. They don't seem like they're gonna come off or anything like that. They seem pretty legit. And little DIY. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Break it down low, take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I used to you, fucking do it. Like I did it, can't do it, can't get it. Oh, run it up, run it up, run it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like bucket, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, you know they can't stop. Keep my mind at ease,